Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a multi-functional stand mixer, and it's from the brand called Acekool. So the one that we got right here is a 7.5 quart, and has 10 different speed levels on here. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can definitely see that they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set up product and also how to use it as well. And right underneath that, you can see everything else right here, and it's all well protected. But let's take everything out. So first thing we see right here, they provide you guys the first accessory that's in use. So basically want to insert this bottom part onto the actual mixer stand. Next up right here, we have the next one. And once we take off the protection layer right here, you guys can see the product right here. You can see it's all nicely wrapped up. But let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So you can definitely see the brand logo on top. And then right here, they show you guys the instruction to teach you guys what speed to use for each different head. So right here, you can see we do have the switch option, and then right here we have everything else. So because the product is kind of heavy, let me actually put this down to show you guys a better view of the product, and we'll test it out to show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is basically actually looks right here. So we do have the two accessories right here, and then we have the other one inside right here. And when you guys take out all the wrapper right here, they basically have this option right here inside. And basically what this is a dust cover. And you guys want to set this up right here. And then they have this cover right here, but they also have this little hole option right here. So that way if you guys want to pour stuff inside right here, you definitely can. So that way actually prevents the product from making a mess, which is pretty cool. But if you guys take this part out, and if you guys want to lift this part up, you basically want to lift this part here. And that way actually opens up this part right here. So once you guys lift up this part right here, if you guys want to open up this part right here, you basically want to just go like this, twist it this way, and you're gonna take it out. Just like that. You definitely see the bolt inside right here is very deep. And this is basically what it actually looks like for the bottom part right here. So once you guys are ready, you can definitely lock it back in. But I definitely love this part right here, how she has this handle part right here. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around if you guys need to. But let's put on the dust cover first. So the way how you guys use the product, you basically want to just turn the knob to whatever speed you guys want to use. So let's say everyone use at 1. And if you guys turn it back the other way, it turns off. And definitely see the product definitely works pretty well. And once you guys activate it, it is pretty loud. But definitely see the product didn't move at all because of the way how to design the bottom part. It actually has suction cup in the bottom part, which is pretty nice. So I'm actually tilted to show you guys what the bottom part looks like first. Alright, so you see when I actually tilt it this way, you can definitely see the 6 suction cup on here. But that's basically what's holding it down. So that way the stand mixer won't move. But I actually turn on the speed level again to show you guys what it actually sounds like and how it actually looks like when you guys turn on speed level 10. Alright, let's turn it on. So speed level 1. Speed level 10. Then definitely see that's actually really powerful, especially once you guys turn on the speed level 10. And they always have a reminder right here so that way you guys know which one to use. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. You can definitely see that it does work and it works really well. Especially when you guys turn on speed level 10. You can see how the whole entire table moves when you guys set on speed level 10. But the actual stand mixer does not move, if you can see from the video. And welcome back guys. So nice quick test about definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. So for this part right here, you can definitely use it in many different ways. If you guys want to make bread, if you guys want to actually mix stuff, or if you guys need to beat eggs, you can definitely do all of that on here and so much more. And I really like the way how to design this product as well. It definitely feels like a high quality product that is super affordable. But you definitely get like the high quality stainless steel bowl and also the high quality mixer as well. It's definitely a much more affordable product that works really well compared to like the higher end product such as like the KitchenAid mixers. But like I mentioned, for this product here, it actually has 10 different speed levels on here. So the only time when you guys need to use it on the highest speed level is when you guys need like beat eggs or whatever. Basically, if you guys need to like make cream or if you guys need to beat eggs or if you guys need to mix it really well to actually make cake or make sauces, that's the only time where you guys need to use it on the high speed level. But if you guys are just making cupcakes, cookies, or just making bread in general, you definitely want to use it on the lower settings, so like level 1 to level 4. And I really like the fact that how she has like the suction cup on the bottom, so that way actually hold the product onto the table or a flat surface, and that way it won't keep moving around. And definitely on the product it has auto protection on here as well, so that way the product won't like overheat. And especially since it has like the vent on here as well. And also for this part right here, we got like the black one, but they actually have it available in 2 other colors as well. So they have it in red and they also have it in silver as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality stand mixer that is very similar to like the KitchenAid one, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.